In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract a transparent image with a white background in PS Touch. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, let's go ahead and begin with this tutorial. So now let's click on import photo library, and let's first of all import our background image. Click on add, and here we have it. So now let's import our bottle. Click right here, click here, and photo layer. Click on photo library and select the bottle image which you want to add, and then we add it. So I think I'm going to make it this big. Okay, done. So now what we want to do first, we want to erase this white background from it. So we click right here, magic wand tool. Then we just click at once at the background, and it will help us to do some cool selection. Well, let's forget about this for now. And yeah, let me click one right here, click on add mode, click right here. Okay, or can we click right here? Alright, nice, has a better selection. Nope, let's undo that. I will work on that later. So now let's click right here and then clear. Alright, so click here, let's click here and then deselect. Okay, now we can transform it. Transform, I think I'll put it just right here. Okay, once you are done, you click on done, of course. Now what you want to do in this case is to click right here and change the blend mode. Click on this, change the blend mode to multiply. Okay, as you can see, you click here again and then we duplicate it, and we'll reduce the opacity a bit because it's looking a bit too much. Alright, so once done, we want to create an highlight. So we click right here, click here, and then duplicate. Done. Let us set this blend mode to normal, put it back at 100%. So before we remove the highlight from this, let us click right, yes, let's click on adjustment and curves. So I'm going to undo my previous curve and click on RGB channel, increase the brightness, take down the shadows. So I think this one is good, and then I'm going to click done. Now we want to remove the highlight from this image. We want to remove the highlight. We want to separate the highlight. So we click right here, click on select pixels. So now let's go to effect. So click right here, then threshold. Alright, now for this four color, which is the black, we're going to take the opacity to 0%. Let's come back. Now the threshold, we'll play with it. I think we'll take it to the side. Okay, while the smoothness, we'll increase it until we have something really smooth. And the color, I think we'll change it to maybe the brightest color right here. I think it's this one, and let's make it a bit brighter. So we'll click on this and increase the brightness, maybe take down the saturation a bit. All right, and let's go back to the threshold and see what we can get. Not bad. Let's go to smoothness. Okay, not bad as well. Once you are done, you click done. So here's the before and the after. All right, as you can see, I really don't like it at the bottom, so I'm going to, let's go to deselect. So I'm going to clear it from the bottom. So click right here and then fade. So you click on any of the linear fade right here. So click on this one. Think. Okay, then done. So this is the before, after. Now let's add some reflection to this glass. So I'm going to use this sleeve. Click right here. Click on quick selection tool. So let's select the leaf. So let's undo that. Oh, let's go to the leaf layer. All right. Let's go to this, click on this icon and then refine edge. So let's undo that. Click right here, refine edge. So just click once and that's it. Click on done. Click right here and then click here, layer from selection. So click on done. Now let's deselect it and then deselect. So what we want to do is to click here, click on transform. I think I'll put it at this side of the bottle. All right, so I'm just going to click OK. Now click on this, on any of the bottle, any of the bottom bottle. Click here, click on select pixels. Click here, let's take this one. Okay, let's leave it right here and set, and then click on extract. All right, now let us reduce the opacity. And yeah, now we have gotten to the conclusion of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.